What is up, guys? We are back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at this magnetic wireless car charger by Andobil. Now, I got to say shouts out to them for sending this over, man. I really do appreciate it, and you guys also know that I'm very appreciative of whatever we get on this channel that I can share with you guys as well. Now, right here on the channel, we've taken a look at two previous car phone holders. One was just kind of like the standard one, and then we also took a look at a different Magsafe one a while back. So if you didn't get an opportunity to take a look at those videos, go back on the channel and you can catch up on those car phone holders as well. But today we're going to be looking at this one. I'll show you guys where you can pick it up from. We'll take a look at what comes inside the box, do some fit and finish, check functionality and so forth, and we will get out of here for today's video. All right, coming up. All right, guys, so if you're looking for this, you can find it right here on Amazon, man. I will throw a link up in the description to Amazon, as well as a link to their actual website so that you can check out any of their other stuff just in case you want to scoop something else up. But this one right here on Amazon is going to run you $59.99, and this is the magnetic wireless car charger by Andobil, and this works with the iPhone 13 and 12 series as well. They do have a 5% off coupon right here if you want to take advantage of that. Scrolling through, we'll go ahead and find some other quick little information. So right here, snap, charge, and go. Stable magnet, MagSafe charge, powerful PD 3.0, and that auto snap. Auto snap is pretty cool because the magnet is strong enough to put the phone directly in place, so you don't have to kind of like align it after you put it on the actual charging base. It'll just snap right on and it'll already be kind of lined and squared away with no extra adjustments, you know. So right here shows you that it works with the iPhone 13 and 12 series, and as well as other different cases and MagSafe cases. Right here, 5.6 pound strong magnet, so it will hold your phone, no doubt. Perfect for 99% of the car vents, so it shows you exactly which type of car vents it works with and one of the main ones that it doesn't work with. All right, right here it has an upgraded metal clip. So if you look at this clip, we'll take a look in the box as well, but right here it just shows that upgraded metal clip and says that it has a silicone back plate right here on the back. Down at the bottom it has that USB-C to USB-C connection, and right here it just shows you what it's going to look like inside your car, and that you're going to get that green battery all the time because you're charging while you are on the go and you are hands-free. All right, so right here just some other quick information that you guys can take a look at right here as far as the compatibility and some of the specifications of the actual device. All right, so taking a look at this box right here on the front, it just has some branding, says magnetic wireless car charger, convenient disassembly and assembly. Right here on this side it says strong magnetic, support MagSafe functions, and 15-watt wireless charging. Right here on the back, I want you guys to pause this screen so you can read this information, but I will read one thing to you, which is right here. It says that the Andobil package comes from environment-friendly materials with soy ink printed. We are committed to offering more delicate, simple, and flexible protection to minimize the impact of the environment. So I think that's pretty cool right there. On this side, just some more little information here, and then right here on the top, just some branding, and basically nothing really important on the bottom. All right, so once you open up the box, you're going to be greeted with the actual charging base first, but we'll put that off to the side. Digging down into the bottom of the box, you're going to have your actual clip right here. I'm trying to move a little fast so we can get this out of the way, but you're going to have your clip right here, that metal little clip, and on the inside you got that silicone down in there as well. Should be easy to kind of set up. That's how you tighten it, like that, and this is how you actually loosen it up. So we got that next. Right here, this is where you can stick this to any part of your dashboard or whatever, so you can run the cable through if you just kind of want to do a little bit of cable management, so you should be good with that. Down here you got the USB-C to USB-C cable, and then right here I think which is something really neat. So I'm gonna pull all of this out right here, but I think this is really neat outside of a warranty card. But what I think is really neat is that they give you, and I think I skipped this over when I was taking a look at it on Amazon, but they give you a actual magnetic ring right on the back, so you can make whichever one of your cases that you love the most, you can make it magnetic so that it can work with this. So I think that's pretty cool, man, and it's looking like they're giving you two of these bad boys, so you can make two cases magnetic. So that's a good look right there, man. So let's put that off to the side so you can make your case magnetic if it's not. And then last but not least, down here in the bottom, you're gonna have your user guide as well. All right, so this is basically everything that you get right here in the box right here, as well as this, which I almost forgot. Look at me. But this is the base right here, and this is what it looks like. It has a little bit of weight to it. It has a plastic on it. Let's pull that off real quick. But this is everything that you're gonna get right here in a nutshell, man. I think this is a really good look, but man, this thing right here is very, very thin. Look how thin that is. It's really, really light. It does have weight just kind of like standard typical weight just because, but it's actually really light, man. I like how it looks. It looks real nice and sleek. Got some little information on the back for you guys that love to read real deep into the specs. You can pause that right there or take a screenshot so you can refer back to that later. And just setting this up real fast is gonna be easy. Just take this off like we did last time. All you're gonna do is put this in right here, snap it into place like that, screw this back in right here, just like this, and now you are good to go. And remember, the tighter you tighten it, the more the ball head will not swivel, but if you loosen it up, then the ball head will swivel a little bit more. So that's what it looks like. We get this nice and tight again. So that's what it looks like right here. Real quick and easy. Got your USB-C cable right there, man. So I really think that this is gonna be a good look. So because I thought this was really cool that they added these magnets into the packaging, I'm gonna be using it with one of my cases that is not MagSafe. As you can see, this case is not MagSafe. But I'm gonna be using this black when they give you a choice, black or white. And what I'm gonna do is just place it here and I'm gonna stick it. Now I've already used my wet wipe and stuff to go ahead and wipe it down because I didn't, just to save a little bit of time. And I don't need to use this to align it and then take this little clear piece right here to align it because this space is so small right here that I can really just set it right there and forget it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is peel this off, and because I've already wiped it down, I'm just gonna drop this right about there. Let's go over a little bit. So right about there is where I'm gonna drop it at, as you can see. So it may not be perfect, kind of looks like it is, but I'm just gonna kind of push it in place, hold it down a little bit, and I'm gonna let this cure for a little bit so that we can actually test this out. All right, because this is one of my favorite cases. This is that jagged case, and I really would love for this case to be converted to MagSafe. So I'm gonna let this kind of sit and cure for a little bit, and then we'll go out to the car. We'll get this thing up on the charger, get the MagSafe going and all of that stuff, man, so that you guys can see how this thing actually performs. All right, so this is what it looks like in the car. Right here in the back, all you do is cinch it down right there and you should be good to go and just screw it in. But this is what it looks like in the car. One thing to note, because I want to do this as fast as I can because this video is getting kind of long, but the USB-C cable that comes with it, my car doesn't have USB-C to USB-C. I have USB-A. So I did run a USB-C cable from here down into my USB-A port, and it still works perfectly fine. All right, so I got the iPhone 12 right here in my hand, and we're gonna put it on and check the charge. All right, so we got the iPhone 12 with the Nomad case on it. It is MagSafe on the back, so it should cinch on real easy, just like that, and you are getting a charge. Now keep in mind, this does not activate CarPlay. I want you guys to be aware of that. It does not activate CarPlay. It just gives you a spot to charge your device and turn it whatever way you kind of want to. All right, so just keep that in mind. It doesn't activate CarPlay. All right, so we're gonna try out this case, which is the one that we put the magnet on. We're gonna try this case out real quick, and then I will wrap this video up. All right, so I have the case that I put the actual magnet on right here, and we're gonna try that for charge right now. All you do is slide it in just like this, and it cinches on perfectly. And as you can see, it is charging, and it is very, very sturdy. Anyway, let's go back inside, man, and wrap this video up. Now, if you found this video to be helpful in some way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so that the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. It's been your man Jay, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.